For row 1, we're going to start by making a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. So we'll skip the first one and we'll work into the second one. Remember, we're working into the back loop, going in through that chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and that loop that we just pulled up is going to continue through the loop that's on your hook. We're going to do the same thing in the next 5 chains for a total of 6 slip stitches. And when we work these slip stitches, we want to try and keep them a little loose. Because these stitches are so small, they can be a little tricky to work into, and keeping them a little bit on the looser side can help make that a little easier. So we're going to find our next chain, go into that chain in the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and that new loop continues through the one that's on your hook. So that's 2. I'm going to find the next chain, into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and continue through into the next one. Insert the hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull it through the loop that's on the hook. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 2 more. Going into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull that loop through the loop that's on your hook. And last one, into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull it through the loop that's on your hook. We now have 6 slip stitches, and we're going to switch to single crochets. In that next chain, again working in the back loop, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over one more time, and pull through both loops that are on your hook. And again, we'll do that in the next chain. Insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to put 1 single crochet in each chain, going all the way across until we hit our stitch marker. So we're going to go into the next chain in the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And I will meet you when we reach our stitch marker, and I'll show you what to do for our increase. Okay, so I am almost at my marker. I have 1 more chain left. I'm going to put my single crochet in that last one. And then in this chain where I have my marker, I'm going to place 3 single crochets all in that same chain. So to make that a little easier, I'm going to move the marker. And in that next chain is going to be 3 single crochets. There's 1. In that same space, I'm putting 2. And then 1 more. 3. So now I've got this cluster of 3 single crochets, and I'm going to put my stitch marker on the one that's in the middle. That's going to mark the center stitch of my row. That will help us out for row 2. And then I'm going to continue putting 1 single crochet in every chain, going down the row until I have 6 left. Okay, I have 6 chains left, and I'm going to put a slip stitch into each of those chains. And again, insert into the back loop, yarn over and pull up a loop, and pull that new loop through the one that's on your hook. Insert into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. No need to yarn over again. Continue pulling through the loop that's on your hook. This is 3, 4, 5, and 6.